folks, I'm Sam, founder of Skinny Dipper Skincare. I just wanted to show you a little bit about oil cleansing. If you've never done it before and it seems scary to be rubbing oil into your face, just wanted to give you a little bit of a how-to, how I do it, and introduce you a little bit to our product. So there's two ways that you can actually do oil cleansing. The first way is if you want to just do a daily cleanse, get off your makeup for the day, and that's what I'm going to be showing you. I put on all this makeup for you 5 minutes ago just to prove that it can all come off, waterproof mascara. And then the second way you can use it is if you're doing it as a deep cleanse, maybe 1 or 2 times a week. The only difference between them is probably the length of time that you'd spend on it, and I'd probably start with a clean face for the deep cleanse. So you can do a quick oil cleanse to get off the makeup and then do a second oil cleanse, a deeper, spend a little bit more time on it if you want to do it that way. So I'll show you the oil cleanse just for daily getting off makeup, and if you have any questions, please feel free to put them on the blog or shoot us an email, and happy to answer. So I'm just going to get my hair out of my face here. Oh, I can see mistakes in my makeup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking our oil cleanser, the facial oil cleanser. It's got all kinds of essential oils and carrier oils that are really good for penetrating into the skin, opening up those pores, and the oil is actually going to dig into those pores and get out what's in there. And that's why it's so effective, because it is oil and likes get out likes. We learned that from grade 11 science, so that was the philosophy behind this. So I'm going to take a little bit of my cleanser, probably, I'll show you, maybe that much. You can play around with what you like. Rub it in. I'm just going to rub it into my face. I'm going to make sure I get all the areas with makeup. I like to focus on the areas that my pores get more, the areas where my pores get more easily clogged, so that'd be around my nose and on my chin. You guys can focus wherever. Now you do want to be careful not to get it in your eyes because these are essential oils, but I do still use it to take off my makeup. Be smart, people. Do what's good for you. Don't get it in your eyes though. So I'll show you how I just rub it in there. And I do keep my eyes closed so I'm not getting anything in there. It's going to be a really nice look for you guys. We're just being real. Oh, that should, oh, yes. So now that we've done that, I'm going to turn on the tap, hot water. I'm just going to take a clean washcloth, thicker the better, and I'm going to get it, I'm going to saturate it in pretty warm water. We don't want it to be hot, you don't want to scald your skin, but it'll be medium hot. So once it's saturated, just wring it out a little bit so it's not dripping all over your face. What you're going to do is you're going to take your cloth and just lay it over your face. Just like that. And what you're going to do is you're actually going to leave it on until the cloth cools. Now what I like to do is when the cloth is on my face, just press into the areas where I just want the steam to spend a little bit more time on. Again, that's my nose and chin for me. But so you guys can do that. Leave it on usually about 30 seconds until the cloth cools. So I've done that. I like to do it 1 or 2 times for my daily cleanse, just to take off makeup and dirt from the day. So I'll just do that 2 times. If you're gonna do the deep cleanse, I wouldn't do that every day. But if you're gonna do the deep cleanse, you can do this 3 or 4 times. Spend a little bit more time with the heat steaming your skin. So I'm gonna do it 1 more time. And so once that's cooled, I still of course have all this on here, but I'm actually just going to take the cloth and gently now wipe off what's left. And because it's oil, it's already lifted out what's there. I'm going to gently rub away what's on my skin. I don't know if you can see that, but it's coming all off. Very gently around the eyes. And I'm just going to take that off. Make sure you get all the makeup that you got on your neck when you were blending properly. Excellent. So as you can see, all my makeup is now off. Your skin is going to feel super soft and a little bit damp. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take This isn't on the market yet. This is a tester product. We're making a, well, all I'm going to say is it's a pineapple enzyme toner. I'm going to stop there, but testing it out. So I'm going to take my toner, spritz it on, and then I'm going to take facial oil, or fruit and flower facial oil, again, full of essential oils. It really covers everything, anti-aging, acne, oily skin, dry skin, eczema, redness, inflammation. So I'm going to take it. I took about 3-5 drops on my fingers. Oh, I love that smell. And then I'm just going to gently rub it over top of the toner. Seal all that enzyme goodness in and cover it up with some essential oils. And don't forget the skin commandment. Do unto thy neck and décolletage what you do unto thy face. Excellent. So there you have it. That is oil cleansing. Again, that was the quick. You can do that every day. The number of times you put the warm washcloth on your face is up to you, how much time you have. Spend a little bit more time every couple days, a few times a week, and then you've got yourself a deep cleanse there. Enjoy!